Inappropriate conduct and sexual harassment still happen, in person and even virtually, anywhere people work together.
The question is, why? Why is it still happening?
We'd really like to know. I'm recommending. Just think that's so important, don't you?
It turns out a culture of respect isn't born, it's made. With relatable scenarios, award-winning video production, and practical instruction, Once and For All will empower and inspire learners to stand up for themselves and others in the face of harassment. Using insights from the course, our science-backed sexual harassment prevention training goes beyond teaching, identifying key behavioral patterns in employees and managers that influence a respectful workplace culture. Plus, it's the only program of its kind to offer a 200% compliance guarantee. Make the move toward a healthier, safer workplace with Atana Insights, the most powerful behavioral analytics engine on the market. Learn more at atana.com.